Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to lock your Instagram application on iPhone with passcode or Face ID. So the first thing you have to do is just make sure that you already activate the passcode and Face ID security on your phone. You can just do that by visit this Face ID and passcode to activate them. And after you activate those passcode and Face ID to lock your phone, now you just need to visit the app library and just tap the shortcuts. Just need to click the shortcuts, and after that there will be 3 sections down here. Go visit the middle one, which is the automation, and let's create the new automation by click this plus button on the top right corner and create the personal automation. Right after that, we need to scrolling down until we find an app, and then just make sure that you pick this is opened, and this app option you just need to go click choose and just find Instagram. You can just do it fastly in a search button. Whenever you find it, just go click them and go click done. And now you just need to go click next action, and in the search button you just need to type lock screen. Go click them and go click next. Don't forget to turn off the ask before running to make it automatically run. Confirm it and just go click done. Now let's just try. Let's open the Instagram. You'll see now the phone is automatically locked in, so they will need your access of your face or the passcode of your phone. So that is the way how to lock your Instagram application on iPhone. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.